Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is 7 bundle of photo overlays. Total property of these files 1.12 GB, and total file is 298 in 7 folder. So here is 50 smoke overlay volume 2 and 55 epic photo overlay, dust overlay, 100 photo overlay, and magic photo overlay, magic photo overlay 2, and smoke overlay volume 1. So I drag this. Here is all files are JPG in high definition for Photoshop user. So simply I drag this file to Photoshop, and we need image. Okay, these files are high definition. Like this, and I convert in low resolution like 1000. Oh sorry, drag there. This file high definition and convert 3000. Click on normal and then click on screen. You see the effect of layer, and you can make more better. You see, and you see you can change it and apply any other photo. No. Okay, and next is a big photo. Wow, wonderful. So same here, drag to Photoshop and click on screen or overlay, depend on your own choice here. File resolution is 5100 and 3450 pixels of these files. Same here, drag and open any other photo like this photo and drag there, because these photos are high definition. Click on screen, you see, enter. Our overlay is ready. Okay, and same here, dust overlay, same color here, but different, not equal, different. Here is hunted. Wow, like this, or like a horror. Drag here and we need image. Whoa, like this. Here resolution is 25. Same option is here, click on screen. Wow, so you can make more better. Okay, I close this. Here is magic photo overlay, magic, same, and just click on screen, magic overlay volume 2. Files are high definition. Here is 10.2 MB file. Whoa. Here is 12.3 MB, 13.4 MB, that's mean full high definition. And here is smoke volume 1. Here is 5.20 33 5.08 MB, and here is 4.64 MB. I hope this data useful for you. Kindly subscribe my Telegram channel, Sheri Escape Official. Take care, Allah Hafiz.